Hello, Rancat here, and this is possibly going to be the most boring video I've made because I'm going to show you my desktop. So this is my desktop. Thank you very much for watching. Oh no, there's more. Look, can you see my mouse now? I've not been showing my mouse on these videos and I've just worked out how to do it. I've got a folder I call First Aid. And I have two screens here, so it's opening on the other screen, annoyingly. In this folder, I have 3 programs, and these are the programs I use to keep my computer in check and not break. So I can play Team Fortress extremely fastly as my computer will allow me to play it without it lagging or dying, or when I browse the internet, taking me off to johnnyslubricants.com. So Ad-Aware Antivirus is basically just a antivirus thing. Surprisingly, it's not really. I don't know if it does a bit of Ad-Aware as well. I mean, it will block malware, stuff like that. I think it used to. Don't really bother checking it anymore. I don't have an issue with malware. I don't know if it's because these other 2 programs are killing that, but they all do kind of similar things, and I use all 3. Second one's Glary Utilities. That's a registry checker and cleaner, and it always seems very responsive. It always finds hundreds of faults, and it makes me very happy because it says fixes everything. It says it does really easily. Spybot is a malware deep computer cleanse, and it will take a long time to run it, so make sure you're not planning to do anything in the next half hour, because that will take a little while to run. But it's quite satisfying because it does find stuff that these 2 don't, so it's very satisfying. If you want to be absolutely triply, doubly, quadruply sure, you could run all 3 a second time if you're really suffering from OCD. So thanks very much for watching. I'm only joking. That would be boring if that's all there was to it. So what I wanted to... Oh, I just want to tell you quickly about something. No, let me just do this systematically. So the first one in the list was Ad-Aware Antivirus. The reason I want to... Oops. Ad-Aware Anti... There, it's found it. Now, I'm looking down here and I'm thinking I'll just go straight to the CNET download, because that's going to be the free running version. So there you are. Go to the CNET. Don't go to the Ad-Aware site. Download this. Install it. When you're installing it, be very careful because it will do its level best to try and put a search bar in your browser window. Don't let it change your home page. Don't, just read it very carefully. Shall I download it and install it? Okay, all right then. So you just have to be very... Oh God, look. Oh, there it is. All right, saving the file. It's done it already. Let's have a look. All right, it looks like this. Look. All right, let's see what it tries to do. It might be very nice to me. Always ask for opening. Yes, please. Let's see. It might open on the other screen. I'm very excited to see what happens next. Get rid of that. That's for sure. Oh yes, it's opened on the other screen. That's what it looks like. Look at this. Yeah, it's basically spotted that I've already got this program installed. Anyway, just when you're installing it, just be very careful. I'm not going to install this. I'm just going to get rid of it. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yeah, that's why I ticked that little difficult to get to cross. Oh. Goodbye. I'm being really slow here. Sorry. The other program's Glary Utilities. Let's have a look at that one. Glary Utilities. And again, I'm going to look for the CNET link. Ooh. Oh, there's Pro. Which one do I click? Okay, I'm not sure which one to click. So I'm going to go to the site. And of course, they'll try and sell it to you. Freeware. And no, it's not. No, it's not. It's just a trial that's free. Yes, you don't. Yes, it's... Yeah. But when they say freeware, what you do is you download the thing, I think. You download the thing, and then you have to start paying like X amount a month to make it run. But you've not actually purchased the software. You're paying for the license. Anyway, but it could be that this is actually all right. Yeah, so they do this. Special offer. Click, link. What you want is this one down here, and this will probably take me to the CNET site. Don't click that because that's the trial version. You don't want it. download the free version, and yeah, here I am. So download this. Again, when you're installing it, make sure you're not adding anything to your browser. Don't let them put ask.com or Jeeves or any of that rubbish, because it's rubbish. Get this in your browser, and that's it. Get a Google browser there, and then that's all you need. And finally, there was Spybot, search and destroy. Spybot, search and destroy. So I'm going to click on this CNET link here because I can. I know it's good. Click it. Again, check you don't install any crap on your browser. Sometimes I've found that you say don't do it and they'll do it anywhere, or sometimes they'll say tick this box if you don't, tick this box if you don't want us to install something. So you tick it. It's like a double negative, and you think, oh, I tick the box to tell you not to do it. No, you tick the box to tell us to do it. And that makes them scumbags and not our friends. So that's it. That's the free programs I use. Spybot, Search and Destroy, Glary Utilities, and Ad-Aware Antivirus. Be very careful when installing them. They're completely free. I've been using them for years and never had to pay a single penny, and my computer's completely fine. So if you do, you will have to update them regularly, so again, they put you through the download process, and again, they'll try and sell you stuff. Just be real careful. Just finally, one thing to add is I've just discovered this. A mate of mine told me about this. Ad-Block. Do a search for Ad-Block. There's two versions that are interesting. There's the Chrome version and there's the Firefox version. I'm a huge fan of Firefox, especially because of all the little plugins that it has. Install this into your Firefox, install it into your Chrome, and you will not see any more advertised videos on the front of YouTube videos. All that skip video stuff will be gone. You won't see any adverts on your Facebook pages, and your life will be basically less littered with the arses from the advertising world who want to sell you bottles of dupe. Just another thing to say about Firefox. I'm a massive fan of Firefox. It's a free thing. It's it's a developed thing. They've got something on Firefox called Web Developer, and then Fire FTP. I'm not going to click it because you'll start seeing all my FTP clients, but sites. But just check it out. It's really, really, really cool. The Fire FTP plugin for Firefox is super cool. I'm also a big fan of all these, of creating folders here. You create a new folder, and then I just love Firefox. Anyway, that's me. I'm I'm rabbiting on. So I'm going to shut up. Round about now.